British versus American English. Shop, store, football, soccer, pavement, sidewalk, luggage, baggage, biscuit, cookie, boot, trunk, bonnet, hood, car park, parking lot, lorry, truck, flat, apartment, lift, elevator, tap, faucet, rubbish, trash, dustbin, garbage can, nappy, diaper, dummy, pacifier, holiday, vacation, garden, yard, sweets, candy, crisps, chips, petrol, gasoline, film, movie, cinema, movie theater, post, mail, postbox, mailbox, postcode, zip code, autumn, fall, trousers, pants, trainers, sneakers, jumper, sweater, waistcoat, vest, wardrobe, closet, mobile phone, cell phone, cooker, stove, hob, cooktop, cooker hood, range hood, pudding, dessert, fairy lights, Christmas lights, torch, flashlight, underground, subway, roundabout, traffic circle, zebra crossing, crosswalk, motorway, freeway, car hire, car rental, bill, check restaurant, chemist, drugstore, plaster, band-aid, windscreen, windshield, chemist, pharmacist, queue, line, solicitor, lawyer, tap, faucet, estate car, station wagon, saloon, sedan, pushchair, stroller, rubber, eraser, flyover, overpass, skipping rope, jump rope, public school, private school, state school, public school, university, college, headmaster, principal, form, grade, school year, aubergine, eggplant,